It's your man's Sugar Bear Pyro on my way to Home Depot to pick up some wood to build these racks today. Hey, check this out. So I got a video of somebody building racks on YouTube, so I just took those dimensions on, take them up to the Home Depot and see what's cracking. Got the car on, ready to get it cracking. So on head up to Home Depot. Stay tuned. All right, we at Home Depot. Trunk. All right, I'm gonna bring them a sample of what it's supposed to look like, so they can't jack it up. So we going in. All right, we're going in. Let's see how this goes. We're in the lumber department, Home Depot. Let's see how this shit work out. Stay tuned. We're going in, baby.